Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever had a list of names and birth dates in Google Sheets and wished you could easily sort people into age groups, like child, teen, adult, or senior, this tutorial is for you. Today I'll show you step by step how to calculate a person's age from their birth date, then automatically assign them to the correct age group in just a few quick moves. By the end of this video, you'll have a clean, organized sheet and a method you can reuse for any similar project. Let's jump right in. So picture this, you're working with a table of people's names and their birth dates. Maybe it's for a school event, a club, or just your own data project. In our example, we've got our columns, name, birth date, age, and age group, with names like Alice, Bob, Carla, Daniel, and Eliza filled in. But right now, those last two columns, age and age group, are blank, and that's what we're about to fill out. First up, we want to calculate everyone's age. Click into cell C2, which is right next to Alice's birth date. Here you'll type in equals date if B2 today. Why? What this little formula does is actually pretty clever. It looks at the date in B2, which is Alice's birth date, and compares it to today's date, figuring out the number of whole years in between. That's why we use Y. It stands for years. Think of it like asking Google Sheets, how old would this person be as of today? This saves you from doing the math by hand, and it always stays up to date if you open the sheet months or even years from now. After you've typed that formula in, hit enter, and you'll see Alice's age pop up just like magic. Of course, we need to do this for everyone, not just Alice. Instead of typing the formula over and over, you can just click on the small square in the bottom right corner of cell C2. That's the fill handle. Drag it down so it covers all your rows, Bob, Carla, Daniel, Eliza, and watch as their ages fill in instantly. If you've got a long list, don't worry, dragging saves you a ton of time. Now let's make these ages even more useful by sorting people into age groups. Here, where we get to harness the power of another formula, click on cell D2. This is where we'll label the age group. Type in if C213 child, if C220 teen, if C265 adult senior. Let's break down what's happening. This formula is like a set of questions for Google Sheets. First, is the age less than 13? If yes, they're a child. If not, is it less than 20? That makes them a teen. If not, is it less than 65? Then they're an adult. And if none of these apply, they're 65 or older, so senior fits. It's a tidy way of covering all possibilities with just one nested statement. As before, don't just stop at one row. Drag that formula down from D2 to cover everybody in your list. Now every person is automatically placed into the right age group, no second guessing required. It's a small detail, but it can mean a lot when you're trying to plan age-appropriate activities or just want your data neatly organized. And that's it, you've now transformed a simple list of birthdays into an organized chart, sorted by real-life age groups completely automatically. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and share your questions or your own spreadsheet tips down below in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical how-tos like this one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.